Hey everyone, Robert Silva here, and today I'm giving you an unboxing of Rode Mic's wireless go-to microphone system, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Just to let you know that I did have the Wireless Go first one, I guess, well, they just called it Wireless Go. I've had it for, I think about a year and a half, or since it came out, I got it. It was pre-pandemic, so I think it was 2019. It's been a part of my workflow for creating video content, especially these YouTube videos. You can check out the card above for how I put together my YouTube videos, and you can see clearly I have been using the Wireless Go for some time. It produces great audio. I love that it's USB-C charged and it's compact, and when you put the lav mic attached to it, it's a fantastic solution for wireless microphone. So anyway, so when they came out with the Wireless Go 2, I was super excited to not only try it out, but buy it for myself. I did buy this for myself. I bought it at Mike's Camera over in Dublin, California, but this is available everywhere. But if you are in the Bay Area, I highly recommend you going on over to any of your local camera stores, but in particular, Mike's Camera. So go check them out over there and let them know that Robert Silva sent you. But this one I've heard has a few new features. So let's open it up first, check out what those new features are, and then I'm going to do a quick little audio test. Right now, I've been recording with the Rode Mic Pro, and I've used it for many of projects and for a long time. But I know that when I used the Wireless Go, the original one, the audio quality was significantly different. It was better for me because it kept the mic nice and close to the sound source, which in this case is my mouth. So let's see how this works out. Well, first, let's see what's in the box. Here we go. So immediately, put that there. We have USB-C cables, and what else is in this bag? Cool. And this is the this is the microphone jack. Excuse me. This is the microphone jack that you would connect the receiver into your camera. Or in my case, my Lumix S5 that I would be normally filming with. Then we have the little instruction manual. It's pretty it's pretty obvious how to use this, but for those who have used this for the first time, this could be useful. So we'll just put this aside. Like I said, the USB-C cables, and that's what's great about this. And that's one of the things I do like about the system is that you can easily charge this using any USB plugs that you have in your outlet, and you're off to the races. You don't need anything special, or you can hook this directly into your computer if you want to charge your microphones from there. Cool, put that aside. Here we go. So there's three of these in there, and that should be logical because there's three parts to this. So dual transceivers and one receiver. So that makes sense. All right. So in here, let's put this box over here. By the way, this is a carrying case for everything. So it does come with a nice carrying case, and it's soft. Oh yeah. So it's a nice soft case. I mean, it's pretty obvious, what it does. So there we go. Okay. It's nice and soft. It'll keep it protected. All right. So it comes with 3 windshields. So, whoa, and there one goes. Okay. So it comes with 3 windshields. Here they are. It looks like this. Okay, there's 3 of them, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see the little connection right there, but it does come. This is a different connection than the Rode the Wireless Go, the first original version. The first original version had a different, had two little things you had to squeeze and press onto there. And these, I've been told from videos I've seen, these are a more reliable way to attach itself to the wireless mics. So here's the three microphones right here. As I said, the two transceivers, and there's a receiver. And they're exactly the same size as the original Wireless Go. And you can see right here, I'm not sure if, there we go. Okay, so you can see you have the battery indicator right there. And then you have this, and then the one to the right tells you whether it's linked up to the receiver. And there's the battery indicator. There's the microphone right there. If you don't have a lav mic, that's what you'll be catching your audio. And then right here is where you would place the lav, an external microphone if you want to connect it into there. I have one, and that's what I'd be using to mic myself with. But you can use this independently as its own microphone. And it's really small. It's probably, it's a little bit bigger than a quarter. But so right here you can see okay, just want to make sure it's in focus. So right here you can see the USB connection right there. There we go. USB connection. And again, even though it comes with its own, you can totally use any USB-C cable that you may have somewhere. If you want one that's longer, that's totally fine too. It'll plug right into there, and you plug it right into the wall. It's really dope. So you take this little windshield, see the little connection right there? There we go. You got the connection. And then let's see how we connect that bad boy. Oh, well, that was pretty easy. So all I did was press and turn. And boom, it locked in really well. Really, really well. So now this mic by itself is its own, with the windshield, its own lav mic. And you can just plug this bad boy up to your chest right so. Let's get this back in focus here. There we go. I have my camera on manual focus in case you're wondering. So now you could just have it connected right here, and now you're off to the races. Now, personally, I would try to do it inside. Okay. If you're going to use it, something like that where it's a little bit more discreet, but I use an actual lav mic. Hold on 1 second. I'll show you. Okay. So here we go. I want to show you what I actually do when I use the Rode's Wireless Go. I take the Rode lav mic like this here. Okay, it's very cool. I don't know how many feet this is, but it's long enough, 3 feet or something. Connect this into, see where this little windscreen is? I'm just going to turn and pull it right off. Very easy. Then let me get this in focus. There we go. Now from here, see that connection right there that I showed you earlier, right there. I just connect that, boom. And now it's a nice small transmitter. Right from here, I'd put this right in my pocket, somewhere in my pocket. And then now I'm only dealing with this microphone, which makes it nice and simple and discreet. Put it, wherever it is you want to do. I'm just going to do a quick job here. Yeah, I know it's sloppy, but whatever. I'm just just showing you a little something. So there we go. And then that's how I'd proceed with creating my YouTube videos. That's how I personally do it. And these have a, let's see. Let's talk about how much of a charge it says it has. It says it has up to 7 hours. That's pretty freaking ridiculous. Up to 7 hours of battery life. And that's phenomenal. That is phenomenal. So in your pocket, you have literally hours of quality audio recording. So now, the reason why I got this one and sold the Wireless Go, the original one, is because it has two of them in this. And being that it's a dual wireless system, what I wanted to do ultimately was maybe if I want to interview people, that we both could be mic'd exactly the same, have the same audio quality sound coming out, and only needing one input into the camera. And that is going to save me a lot of time, less to carry. So that's always great. And since I like doing documentaries, these are going to be ideal for my documentary filmmaking for sure. So it's kind of solving more than one issue that I've come across. And usually when I buy new gear, it's all about what issues or what problems am I solving with this new piece of gear, and thus justifying the price. Sometimes I just want to get something, but I'd like to think it's solving, a problem that I've been coming across. So let's see if this thing has any sort of juice in it. We'll put this over here. Cool. So now you can see right here on the bottom on the top is the power button. All you do is hold that and press it. And let's see if it has any juice in it. I don't know if it will, quite honestly. Probably not, because it's been in the packaging. But when you do, you just hold on to that. Oh, look at that. Prove myself wrong. So there we go. That's what we're looking at when we're looking at the screen. Here you go. Let's see if you can get a good taste of that. Awesome. So now, it gives you the reading of both mics and all its settings, all right there. And the screen has been updated too, which is what I really like compared to the last one. The last one was more like a Casio watch from back in the 80s or 90s. This one's a little bit better. At least it gives you more not feedback, but more features and stuff like that, more access to what's going on in the camera itself. So that's the power button right there. Now let's go to turning these on. So I'm going to turn one on right now just to see. Oh, look at that. It connected immediately. So as you see this here, you can now see the audio being adjusted. I'm talking right into it. Hello, 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 hello. And you can see, if it's peaking or clipping or whatever. And, it connected in about 1 second. Like as soon as it turned on the power, it turned right on. So that's pretty cool. What I want to do now, honestly, is take this system, connect it to the S5 with what I'm recording now, replace the audio from the Rode Mic Go Pro, and replace it with these and check out the quality of the sound. Okay, so I'm back now, and I just replaced the Rode Mic Go Pro with the Wireless Go 2. And hopefully you hear a difference. Right now I have the lav mic connected right inside my shirt, if you can see it right there. And here I have the transceiver, and I could easily put this in the pocket or clip it on my belt or something like that. Okay. And then I can do the same thing for whoever I'm interviewing as well, or maybe a co-host on a future YouTube video. I could have them mic'd up as well. And that's what I'm really excited about. Let me know whether you like the audio of this sound. Post it down below. Let me know what you think of the difference. How do you mic your videos when you're recording, whether it be for a short film or for your YouTube? Do you like a lav system? If you don't have one, I highly recommend picking one of these up. The average price is $299, which is a killer deal, quite honestly, for what you get for this system. Not only do you get 7 hours of power, you also get you're able to mic you yourself and, like I said, your co-host or someone you're interviewing. It's a lot of great things. And plus you get the windshields connected to it, these little fuzzy balls, which can be helpful when recording outdoor. And it's USB-C charged. I mean, it's really a no-brainer. One of the coolest features of this dual microphone system is the fact that you can have your microphone to record at 2 different settings. When you press the 2 buttons on the bottom of the receiver, you can toggle between recording your audio in mono, or at least both individual mics onto one track, or you can record in stereo with the microphone 1 being on the left side and microphone 2 being on the right side and recording in stereo. Now, I like having this option. There could be plenty of times where you're running and gunning. You just want to record both of them together, and basically they're both going to sound pretty good. That's great. And you can record right to mono, and then they're both recorded together as one audio track. Or for like filmmaking, this is really helpful when you know that you want to adjust the levels, or maybe just EQ of the voices of your subjects later on in post, you can do so by recording in stereo and thus having someone's voice on track 1 and then on track 2 somebody else's voice. So that's super helpful. Another awesome new feature that it's been added with the Wireless Go is that these are completely compatible to use with your iPhone, iPad, or Samsung or tablet or whatnot. All you gotta do is connect it through the lightning port, and then you can connect the receiver instead of to your camera, use it into the headphone jack, and now you can record your Instagram stories, TikTok videos, or just video on the go with your phone and get some great quality regardless of the busy environment you happen to be in. I'm going to have a link down below for you to check it out for yourself if you feel like getting it. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, please post them down below. Of course, if you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to press that like, share, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.
Bye.